Lots of bees. Not seeing very much honey. Wow. There's lots of stored nectar in there, but there's nothing's capped. Just quickly zoom in on it. See all that nectar in there? Wow, that's a heavy frame. That's got something in it. Oh yeah. Lots of honey in there. Nothing capped yet, but man, that's a heavy frame. That looks good. Got a little bit of capped honey, but that looks really good. Another heavy frame. All right, that looks really good. It's a very heavy frame. See all that honey in there? Looking really good. You guys have been busy. Outside frames, so it's really just the middle frames that've got much honey in them. Oh wow, that's a great, and another really nice heavy frame. Got some capped honey on there. And a lot of the bees are head first in there. I need to check and see what that's doing though. But it's got some capped honey on that side. Capped honey on this side. Looking really good. Another really nice heavy frame. Lots of honey in there. It's good honey. Not all capped yet, but so this is another one of the outside frames, and they're still building out the comb, but there's no honey in that one. So it looks like the outer two frames on both sides don't have really any significant honey in it. This one is the third frame in from the outside, and it's about half full of honey on this side, about maybe a quarter full on this side. Probably 20 pounds there, maybe. So that's kind of light based on everything I've read. Just want to take a quick look at this box. Put some of the bees down. I'll blow a little smoke across them. I just want to take a look at a couple frames of this. I've got a huge healthy bee population. See if they're storing honey down here. They're starting to look at me a little bit, so I'm going to put a little bit of smoke across the top of them. Lots of heads first bees and nectar in this one. Lots of capped honey right there. I don't know, I assume this is pollen. But you can see all the dark stuff stored in there? I need to find out what that is, because that looks like it could be dead larvae or something. Or maybe it's pollen, but I need to figure out what that is. But around the edges I've got good capped honey over there. I need to figure out what that dark. On this side I've got good nectar. That looks good. That's a full frame. I see lots of larvae in there, but there's some brood. You see, very dark. Got lots of honey around the edges, which everything I've read is good. And I've got some brood, capped brood over here on the edges, but in the middle, looks like there's a bunch of larvae that's, I don't know if it's dead or just, I don't know if you can see it or not, but right in the middle. And on this side I've got lots of good capped honey. That looks really good. And then I can see the larvae in there, but I don't know if that's just emerging larvae. I thought it should have been capped. So I need to figure out what's going on there. See a bunch of young bees, so that's good. Let me look at one more frame. That's pretty. Lots of cap brood there. Good honey around the edges. Great big old full frame. Same thing on this side. That looks good. Means the queen's still laying, I think.